Good morning, everyone. In the previous turn, you studied about how to solve a given linear equation. The linear equation was given to you, and you had to find the value of the given variable. Now, today we are going to learn how to use a linear equation to solve a given word problem. Right? So today we are going to deal about word problems and we'll use linear equation to solve it. So here you'll be given a word problem. The first step, you will form a linear equation. That means a linear equation will not be given to you. You will have to form a linear equation according to the situation given in the word problem. And second step will be to solve the linear equation formed. So the question will be done in these two steps. First to form a linear equation and then to solve the same linear equation which is already formed. Right? So open exercise 9.2 and look at question number 1. Exercise 9.2, question number 1. Question says, and in word problems, to understand the question better, you are advised to read the question at least 2 to 3 times so that you understand the situation given in the word problem, so that you can write the correct linear equation. If your linear equation is correct, then only it will be proper to solve the linear equation, otherwise you will be wasting your time in solving if the formed linear equation is wrong. So you are advised to read the question carefully. Question number 1 says, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, the result is 57. Now here the number is not given, so let the given number be x. Now it says 7 is added. So 7 is added how? Plus 7. 7 is added to what? 5 times the number. So 5 times the number means 5 into x. So 5x plus 7 and the result is 57. So this is our first step. You don't have to write this first here. I am just telling you this is the first step to form the equation according to the situation given in the question. Now second step, we are going to solve it, right? So this you don't have to write in the solution. I am just telling you for your understanding. So here 5x equal to 57 minus 7, you are shifting this to the other side. This you already have learnt in the previous exercise. So x will be 50 upon 5, that is 10. So therefore the number is 10. This is the answer. Right? Now look at question number 3. It says a number is greater than 15 as much as it is less than 51. Again it is talking about a number and the number is not known. So let the number be any variable. It's not necessary that you are taking x, but x is a common variable we take. So let the number be x. You can take some other variable also if you wish. Now it is greater than 15. How much it is greater is not known, but it is known that x is greater than 15. As much greater as it is less than 51. So this is also known that x is less than 51. So these two things are known. And this is also known that this is as much greater than this, as much it is less than this. So how will you find the difference of these two numbers? Which one is greater out of these two? This is here so it is given in the question x is as much greater than 15. That means x is greater. How will we find the difference? Greater number minus smaller number. As it is less than 51, so here out of these two, 51 is greater. So to find the difference, 51 minus x. So our first step is complete. We framed the equation. Now let us solve it. So this will be shifted this side. Variables on one side and constants on the other side. This you have learned. So x plus x equal to 51 plus 15. So 2x equal to 66. So x equal to 66 divided by 2, that is 33. So therefore the number is 33. This is the answer. Right? Look at question number 5. Read the question carefully and then look here. Here the question says sum of two numbers is 80. Sum is 80, right? Sum of two numbers is 80. So sum is 80 if we let one number to be x. And since sum is 80, so the other number will be sum minus this number, that is 80 minus x. So the two numbers are x and 80 minus x. Now the question says the greater number is 11 greater than twice the smaller number. Now which out of these two is greater? Whether x is greater or this is greater? So since x is a variable, we can't tell that which one is greater. So let us say this is greater. You can take this also as greater. So the greater number minus twice the smaller number, and the difference given is 11. Greater number minus twice the smaller number is equal to 11, right? Now we got the equation. Let us simplify it and solve it. So open the bracket. So 80 minus x minus 2x is 3x is equal to 11. Now this goes other side and this comes this side. So 80 minus 11 is 3x, right? And this is 69 equal to 3x. So x equal to 69 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we get the value of x as 23. This is one number and the other number is this. So therefore the first number was x, that is this, and second number was 80 minus x, that is 80 minus this, is equal to 57. So therefore the two numbers are this and this, right?